country magnifique. Let us pray for a leader politic. The Malagasy people must be strong and fight. Fight for our true independence. Each one of us must participate. Side by side we stand and wait. No more waiting on a sign.